Thinking beyond utility, how missional thinking can transform integration of technology in your school. What is missional thinking in the context of educational technology? Missional thinking is when educational technology leaders use technology as a tool to further the educational goals of their school, rather than simply integrate technology as a replacement for an older technology in the classroom. What happens, though, when schools consistently integrate technology for the sake of the technology itself? It leads to what is known as instrumental thinking. Instrumental thinking is when a school integrates a technology for the sake of having the technology, rather than integrating the technology to support the school's academic mission and vision. For instance, a school decides to introduce smartboards to replace the use of chalkboards in their classrooms. If the purpose is simply to supplant chalkboards with smartboards, then there is a lack of alignment with the school's academic mission and vision. With no clear alignment to student outcomes, the smartboards are simply a novelty with little connection to learning outcomes. There are risks to schools falling in the trap of instrumental thinking. To begin with, instrumental thinking shifts efforts away from teaching and learning. Instrumental thinking leads to lower levels of teachers' use of technologies. And finally, instrumental thinking leads to selecting and spending resources on technologies which do not align with the school's academic mission and vision. How can we then drive technology integration with missional thinking? To begin with, missional thinking leads to technology decisions and strategies that focus and align with the school's academic vision and mission. Missional thinking also accommodates the reality that every teacher and student have different technology needs and/or preferences. And finally, missional thinking leads to technology decisions and strategy which rest on a foundation of aligning technology decisions and strategies to targeted student outcomes.